Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Taurus, let's see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are the general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Taurus, let's start. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Taurus. Newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies, etc. If this is your reading, Taurus, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? For me, this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. Okay, person A and person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Judgment card, Taurus. Somebody wants to resurrect or they want to have a renewal of a connection. So let's see what's happening. Or maybe somebody just wants a brand new life for themselves. Who knows? From what I feel here, Taurus, I see somebody feeling quite sad and neglected, disappointed, not very enthusiastic about life in general, wanting to pull themselves out of, feeling neglected and rejected and dejected. But the other person does want to come towards them now with a romantic offer. Not an apology as such, but I don't know. This is like Knight of Cups with the Page of Cups in reverse. So I really don't know what that means. I'm going to clarify these cards and figure this out. Taurus, let's start with some dialogue message cards first. Let's see what, if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. And then we'll do the clarifications. So Taurus and their person, spirit. Taurus and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more from another deck, Taurus. Taurus and their person. And Taurus, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. The first card I have here for you, Taurus, says, I intuitively know that we'll unite in divine timing. I was taught that I had to earn love by pleasing people. I want to make things right between us. I don't think I can handle this anymore. You deserve to be loved. You are very special. I'm very sorry that I caused you so much pain. They keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? All right, so Taurus, these were some of your messages. If they resonated, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And the card that fell out for you today, Taurus, is you are a leader. I do see an Empress here who's making some kind of a decision now. It's time to take the lead for your own life, it seems. Four of Cups. I'm going to start with the energy of person A, Taurus. Forget about person B. Let's just concentrate one side and then we'll move on to the other side, okay? So person A, why do you feel this way? Four of Cups and the Five of Cups and Pentacles in reverse. Why are you feeling this way? One more. Person A is not sure whether they want to have this restart, almost like thinking of turning their back, because as much as this person appears to be the King of Wands and they feel they're not emotionally open. I don't know. What is this, Spirit? What's this Five of Pentacles in reverse? This Taurus readings are getting harder and harder by the day. Somebody is feeling a little listless, little hopeless, feeling there's nothing to rebuild now, don't want to rebuild, with somebody who appears to be a certain way, but in actuality, What happened to you, person A? What happened in the recent past that you're feeling this hopeless? Hopeless, I mean, without hope. I mean, I don't know. Two of Wands. Yeah, I think person A has been in limbo for a very long time, not knowing what direction to go towards, not seeing anything stable, not seeing anything solid, just been waiting in indecision. And as time has been going by, they are realizing that their own heart is telling them it's time to get out of this conflict. This thing is just not working. Time to put a stagnation to this. Maybe somebody still worries about gossip or other people, or they feel their person is very immature, very petty, but shows the world maybe that they are very much in control. Person A doesn't believe that, or they've kind of stopped having that will to move forward. How do you feel about the connection now, person A? Person A says, I am coming to that place where I'm no longer wanting to be in indecision. I want to make a choice, or I have made a choice. My inner guidance tells me that I should put in work towards my own self. Because my person, each time they're very cold. They're very cold, and they're unemotional. They always put me down. They make me feel as if I'm not worth anything. I want a balanced, equal relationship, and I know I'm worth it. I'm the Empress, for God's sake. Maybe it's time for me to leave this trouble behind and move on to a happier, calmer place in my own life, and have this new beginning. Yes, 2, 3 new cards. Let's see. Ace of Swords. Okay, this is the Empress now thinking about the clarity that they are gaining, that maybe it's time for me to pursue something brand new, a passionate new process. I'm tired of trying again and again and again with somebody who's just not just doing it for me. Let's see what action they'll take. I'll open later. Taurus, let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. So person B, why do you have the Knight of Cups? Why do you feel this way? Well, person B feels that things are stuck between the two of you, but they want to reconcile. They don't want to be rejected. But then still you have the Page of Cups in reverse. Why is that? They don't want... Okay, so they are thinking now it's time to maybe woo person A, because what if person B wants to woo person A, because they feel, what if my person moves off to another emotional offer? I think person B does love person A. They do love person A. They do want to tell them that. They're not happy that things are not in order between the two of you. They're feeling stuck. They want to put this barrier down, or they want their person to put the barrier down. They do want to reunite after feeling stuck for some time. What happened in the recent past, person B, that you're feeling this way? Page of Wands. Something was said. Maybe person A said, I want to get unstuck. I'm not happy in this connection. And yes, they feel that person A is very angry and upset with them and is on the verge of dropping this connection. The secret could have come out. High Priestess in reverse. And maybe you guys stopped talking to each other. Maybe they felt that the person is shutting the door on them. There could have been some conflict between the two of you. Something came out in the open that maybe that person wanted a brand new beginning elsewhere. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Ace of Swords in reverse. They know some bad memories are there now in this connection, but I think this person is still lying to themselves. They're either lying to themselves about the foundation which is not solid right now. As much as this connection is in trouble, they are feeling very burdened by whatever past baggage there is in this connection. They want to heal this. They are realizing there's some kind of stagnation which is happening, but I think person B does want to heal the broken hearts, let go of any toxicity. They are not happy that person A could be contemplating a new beginning for themselves. Am I right, Spirit? Yeah, they feel I'm the Emperor. If they are the Empress, I'm their Emperor. Very confusing reading. Let's see what action you guys will take, Taurus. Start with the energy of person A. I'm going to take a separate deck for this one. And of course, if this is resonating, I don't think it's resonating with too many of you, but if it is, please let me know. These are getting heavy. Just click that like button. It'll help the videos to reach the people who it is resonating with. And newbies, if you plan to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. That sends you a reminder when new videos come out. Ace of Cups in reverse. See, the person A has kind of lost their love for person B. That's what I was feeling. Ace of Cups in reverse. Yeah, see, they are bored. They are lonely. They are sad. They feel nothing is really exciting in this connection anymore. They don't feel that love. They feel all that love is all drained out now. Person A is looking forward to something new. They want a brand new beginning, new start, some excitement in their life, a passionate new beginning. With or without person B, person A? Give you one more chance. Yeah, this person, they're trying to manifest a very passionate, exciting connection with somebody who can match them. They want an emperor in their life, to the empress. This, I think person A is dreaming, manifesting the perfect fit. Somebody who will meet them halfway, somebody who will be their emperor, they can have this excitement with. Maybe the excitement is gone from this connection. I don't know. Let's see person B. Person B, though I did say person B does want to be that emperor now. So, will you take any action towards being that emperor for person A? Death and rebirth. This person wants to, yes, have a brand new cycle. They want to transform this connection. They want a reunion. Three of Cups. They want a reunion. They don't want this thing to end. All they're saying is, let's end the past. Whatever happened, happened. Yes, this person is feeling the stagnation and they're emotionally very scared. They are overwhelmed with their emotions right now at the thought that this thing can end, or it's ending, or has ended. They're willing to apologize. Yes, they are willing to put in the work. They're willing to apologize now. They are willing to be romantic, I guess, and they anything to do to save this connection. So, well, I think person A has the free will whether they will choose person B back or manifest somebody new. But this is there. The judgment card is here. So there will be some kind of a rebirth of something. Maybe a new connection or going back to the old and reviving that. Some choice, some decision will be made. Okay? No more going back and forth. So yes, I think person A, you're the leader here. You'll have to make that decision. Do you want to reconcile? They do want to reconcile. Twice the card is here. Three of Cups, Three of Cups. Person B definitely wants to celebrate life with you once again. They do want to apologize. They're very scared that this thing can end. But person B, that's what person B wants. But person A, well, they've kind of lost their love, it seems. Anyway, so that's all I have for you, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste. See you on Saturday.